Form the smallest and the greatest numbers using the given digits. So here we have the two cases. One is in that number of digits, in that list of digits, the 0 is includes and 0 is not include. Okay, the first one, when the given digits include the digit 0. So when it is include digit 0, how to do? When the 0 is not included, then how to do, we'll see. For example, okay, form the smallest and greatest numbers using the digits, say 2, 0. 0 must be included. This example I am taking 2, 0, 7, 8, 9, okay, and 5. So without repeating, using 207895, we need to frame, we need to make smallest and greatest number. Okay. First of all, except to 0, remaining we can make in ascending order. Even if we can make in ascending order this 6 digits. Generally, if you write in order, we will get 0. Yeah, okay, given digits if you make in order, 0 next to 2, okay, followed by 5. Next we have 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is the order, right? So when digits 0 is included, but we need to frame using all the digits without repeating. All 6 must be used and the smallest number. First the smallest. Smallest is, we should not write like 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9 because no number is starting with 0. Okay, there is no number starting with 0. Like 13 is one number, but 0, 1, 3. This is also nothing but 13 only, but no number need not to start any number with 0. It's nothing but 13 itself. So here is the digits are 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9. I wrote in order. Except 0, the remaining numbers, you write the smallest number first. The remaining number smallest is 2. Okay. Among this 2, 0, 7, 8, 9, 5. Because the digit 0 is included, but don't start with 0. That's why apart from 0, from the remaining digits, the smallest is 2. Now immediately keep the 0 now, because 0 can be after the first digit. Next we can make remaining numbers right in ascending order, 5, 7, 8, 9. Remaining is just 5, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is the smallest number, that is 2,05,789 using these digits. And similarly the greatest, if we want to make the greatest is simple, just whatever the order is there, from highest value you can write. Highest value is 9, 8, 7, 5, 2, 0. Okay, 0 may be at the ending, it can be end, but not should be starting, because without repeating is the question. So 2, 0, 7, 8, 9, 5 are the digits. To make or to write the smallest number except 0, from the remaining digits the smallest one you can write. Except 0, from the remaining the smallest is 2. You write first that, then you can start write 0, then from the remaining digits write in ascending order. And greatest number is directly from down to up you can write, because from this order highest value is 9 followed by next highest, finally 0. Okay, this is when include digit 0, right? And one more case, so it does not include the 0. In case if not include the digit 0, the digit 0 is not there, then smallest and greatest is simple. There is no any much difference, we can directly make. Okay, say for example 9, 8, 2, 3, 1, 4. Without repeating, we need to write the smallest and greatest. So because of 0 is not included, smallest is directly ascending order in this digits, which is a small 1. Next is 2, followed by 3, 4, next 8, 9. That's it. 1,23,489 is the smallest number, right? And greatest number, directly from the greater to small we can write. That is the greatest number is 9. Next is 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. This is the same like other previous problem. Greatest type is simple. Only when the digit is included we should be careful here. only when the digit is included, except that digit 0. From the remaining you write the smallest value, then you can write remaining asterisk. Okay, and when digit is not included, when the 0 is not included in the number of digits, take this entire set, write in ascending and descending order, that only the smallest and greatest values, right? Okay, this is the one thing. And next, how many numbers can we make using particular digits? So let us see now.